If you're wondering how to edit templates in Housecall Pro, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, we're going to break down exactly how to use this feature so you can streamline your workflow and enhance your communication with clients. When you first open Housecall Pro, editing templates might seem like a small task, but it's a game changer. Templates allow you to save time and ensure consistency, whether you're sending invoices, estimates, or reminders. So let's dive in. To start, head over to the Settings section in the Housecall Pro dashboard. From there, you'll find a section labeled Templates under the Communication settings. This is where you can edit or create templates for everything from text messages to email notifications. Once you're in the Templates area, you'll notice pre-made templates that Housecall Pro provides. These are a great starting point if you don't want to start from scratch. However, editing them is simple. Just click on any template and you'll be able to modify the subject, body, and any dynamic fields like customer name or service details. This allows you to personalize each message while keeping the formatting intact. For more customization, you can also use placeholders. These are tags you can insert into your template, and Housecall Pro will automatically replace them with customer-specific info. For instance, the placeholder, or customer name, will populate with the actual name of the client when you send the message. This helps maintain a personal touch without extra work. If you want to create a completely new template, just click the Add New Template button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of template you want to create, whether it's an email, text message, or invoice. From there, you can fully customize your message, include placeholders, and adjust the tone to match your business needs. One of the most powerful features is the ability to add attachments to your email templates. If you frequently send invoices, job details, or marketing materials, this saves you the hassle of manually attaching files each time. Now, once you've made your changes, make sure to hit the Save button. That's it. You've now customized your templates in Housecall Pro. Whether you're looking to make your communication more efficient or just improve your brand consistency, these templates are a must-have tool. And before I forget, if you haven't tried Housecall Pro yet, you can get access to an extended free trial through the link below. This gives you full access to all the features, including template editing, so you can get started without any pressure. I hope this quick guide to editing templates in Housecall Pro helps you feel more confident using this amazing software. Make sure to grab your free trial now with our exclusive bonus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.